In all these years, I have never had a problem with your service. In fact, back at the beginning, on this particular device right here, I don't know when, in the first couple of years, 2-3 years maybe, something happened in the box. At one point, the fan failed or something. So Michael came out and he knew what the problem was and had the tools and what have you, and we got that fixed. It was a matter of an hour, and he was in and out of here, and it was working fine. And since then, I've never had any issues with this, and that's from 2006. This one here is the newer one that was put in 2018. It's a little bit different because I go online to see things. At certain months, I'll have a surplus, and it just offsets my next month's bill, or part of it, or either part of the bill. So I've been quite happy with the upgrade. I just had another upgrade. First of all, I was getting a new roof, so everything had to come down. So Michael took it all down, and then he put it all back up. And then when the roof was finished, which was just the other day also, so the roof just went back on. And at the same time, I purchased from him 3 11-watt panels to add to what I already had, because I removed my solar hot water heater, so that allowed some space, because the solar hot water heater basically was worn out by that time. Crew that came out and did this last one, and I was surprised at how fast they were, but I'm very pleased with Michael's service. I wouldn't go to anybody else. That was the thing. It was easy in every case. I just had to explain what I was trying to do and what I needed, and then Michael would come out or have someone come out and look at the house and see the layout for what it was and all, and do it.